Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. This is a channel of both arts and craft, that is the Artness with us. And if you like my video means check out my videos and subscribe. Hello friends, today we are going to draw as a girl's hand with a watch. I always use abstract pencils to draw my drawing. Okay, start our drawing. First, I'm drawing the outlines of the drawing. For shading, I am keeping the towel under the paper. Here, first I am shading the dark areas with dark color. Completed it. Here I tried the same pose in the drawing with my hand. And if you like my video means subscribe to our channel Artness with us.